Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Robin here. In today's video, I'll be making kungpaochicken. I believe most of you have probably heard of kungpaochicken. It's one of the world's most popular Chinese dishes and is made with stir-fried chicken, peanuts, and chili peppers. This dish can be found throughout China, and there are several regional variations. My favorite is the Sichuan version, which is actually not spicy. Stay tuned, I'll explain later in the video. When cooking Sichuan food, preparation is the key. Let's start by marinating the chicken. Cut the chicken into small cubes, about half an inch size. Marinate it for about 10 minutes using Chinese cooking wine, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, salt, and cornstarch water. The cornstarch water will prevent the chicken from overcooking. Add a little bit of oil in the end, so the chicken will not stick together. Slice the ginger and garlic, and chop the green onions into big chunks. I have listed the ingredients for the cooking sauce on the screen and down in the description. The cooking part will be quick and easy. Add some oil in a hot pan and flash fry the Sichuan peppercorns to add fragrance to the oil. Remove them before they turn black. Using high heat, stir fry the chicken with ginger and garlic for about 2 minutes. As I mentioned earlier, this Sichuan dish is actually not spicy. There are 24 different flavors in Sichuan cuisine, and from this, kungpaochicken should taste savory, sour, and sweet, with just a hint of spicy. In Sichuan, we describe it as the lychee flavor. Add the dried chilies and quickly stir fry everything for about 30 seconds. Add the cooking sauce and cook for another minute. Finally, add the roasted peanuts and green onions and stir fry for 30 seconds. Enjoy! Wow, that was very easy, right? The chicken is tender, glossy, and covered with the lychee sauce. And the roasted peanuts are crunchy and nutty. I hope this dish will introduce you to more Sichuan food that is not limited to spicy and numbing flavors. Comment down below and let me know what other dishes you would like to see. If you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye!